Sorry, I'm just loving that helmet.
Cut the corner much. They changed this from a 40 to a 20. Not that anybody actually goes 20, but it's a big difference.
What?
She likes your helmet. You want to see the helmet? That's very nice. What is it? Lovely. It's a 125. It looks beautiful. Keyway. Beautiful bike.
Sorry, I'm just loving that helmet.
An actual GoPro going, yeah.
So like if anything happens, you can prove that you went.
Exactly, yeah.
It's much safer.
Mhm.
I've got one, but I take it out the car because I park the car on the street, so you don't want to leave it in the car.
Exactly.
And then I always forget.
That's it. I mean, because there's some that you're meant to leave overnight, but who wants to leave it in the car?
No, and of course you forget to put it back there.
There you go.
Of course, I don't have it on, but I have one. I should be using it, you know? Oh, here we go.
Have a lovely evening.
You too.
Thank you. Thank you very much. god, my heart. Woo. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my. Sorry. Oh, I'm like, he's looking this way to see if anything's coming. That truck isn't moving, or whatever the heck it was.